To begin Robin's breath, you want to find that comfortable seated position that works best for you. Lengthen your spine and relax your shoulders. Imagine there's a string coming from the top of your head, just pulling straight up. You want to make sure that you're as tall as you can be here. And relax the back. Bringing your hands to heart center. Lift the sternum. Press the fingertips together. Exhale and press the hands away from you. Reaching with the hands as far as you can. Curve the spine and tuck the chin. Inhale, open your heart center. A little bit of a back bend. Exhale. Curve the spine. Reach. And on the inhale, we bring our hands back up to heart center. Lift and lengthen the chin and the heart center. Exhale. Press your hands forward. Tuck the chin under and reach. Inhale, open arms. Exhale. Hands back to heart center. I'll show you from the side this time. From heart center, inhale, lift, lengthen. Exhale, press the hands away from you. You'll find the rhythm here. Inhale, big open arms. Exhale, reach as you curve the spine. We'll do this at different paces, so the most important thing is the rhythm. Inhale and exhale. The rhythm and the breath are important here. Inhale, open. Exhale, close and reach. Inhale, hands to heart center. Lift. Exhale, forward and reach. Inhale, open. Exhale, close and reach. Inhale to heart center, lift. Exhale, forward and reach. Last one, inhale, open. And exhale, forward, reach. Reach your fingertips. And inhale, bring your hands to heart center. Lift. And that is Robin's breath.